What's going on, stacking community? Mississippi Metals here, and today I wanted to bring you a video I'm calling Proof It. That's right, Proof It. So we're going to talk about proof coins today. But before we get too far into it, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment. I really enjoy conversating with everybody in the community. It really brings joy to me to talk about stacking and coins with you guys. So keep the comments rolling. And again, I really appreciate everybody's time watching my channel. Thank you very much. All right, Proof It. So proof coins, let's talk about what it takes to make a proof coin really quick. Well, first of all, a proof coin is a coin that is struck using a unique high quality minting process. So at the manufacturer, whether it be the US Mint or whichever mint is producing the proof, they're going to use basically they're going to polish the planchet, which would be, the 1 ounce of silver that's cut in the right shape, but it has no engraving yet. So they're going to polish it first. And then they're going to use a specially manufactured die. And this die has been dipped in a certain acid, and then the die has been polished with a horsehair brush to give it a mirror-like finish. And then they proceed with actually punching the coin or stamping it. And that is what gives you your proof finish. So there's a lot of extra steps going into making a proof, which is why it's, they're more expensive. So somebody at the mint takes extra time. There's extra materials and products that go into making a proof coin, unlike a business strike. So something that's not a proof is something that that is just your everyday business strike. So with that being said, I have a couple of silver proofs. I generally don't like to pay the extra price, but there are a few that you just gotta have. Again, I've got a few Silver Eagle proofs. I have one of the Perth Mint Dragon Bar proofs. And there is a lot of wonderful proofs out there and some of them are ridiculously priced, especially like the reverse proofs. I don't have any of those yet, but I want to. But the main reason for making this video is I wanted to show you this. I come across in the coin shop this weekend this bad boy right here. All right, so I've got some silver proofs, but do not have any gold proof until now. Look at that. Boom. 1/4 ounce 2014 American Gold Eagle proof. All right, we're going to pop this bad boy out. Yep, there we go. Really don't care about the case. It is kind of nice, but we really don't care about that. All right, let's get a closer look. This reverse side really brings it out, and you can really tell the difference. I've got a 1/4 ounce non-proof. Let me grab it real quick and we can compare the two. All right, here we go. All right, you can definitely see the difference. Now I want to get this one out of the capsule because it's cracked a little bit and still not showing the true elegance of this coin. All right, here we go. You see, I do have gloves on. I normally wouldn't. Oh, come on now. Come on. There we go. All right, look at that. Little force. Always gets it. All right, let's focus in on this guy. Come on, camera. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. It just will not focus in, will it? And it's not doing it justice. Anyways, you can definitely tell that it's a proof, and it's a beautiful coin, and it's gold proof. Now, the other exciting thing about this is, all right, so I believe I got a really good deal on it. So gold right now is just about, what is it, $18.80 an ounce right now, depending on which website you look at. Well, I got this guy for $520 for a 1/4 ounce AGE proof. So I mean, that puts it, what, just a touch over spot, right? Like maybe $40 over spot for a 14 1/4 ounce proof eagle. So anyways, I guess I'm bragging a little bit. I got a really good deal on this guy, and this is my first gold proof coin that I've got in my stack. And you know, I got a question. I see where a lot of people are taking these and sending them off to have them graded, and they're worth more if they come back. If this guy could come back as a MS69 or MS70, it would be worth a whole lot more. Right now, the way it sits, in this case with the COA, if you look it up on APMEX, you know, they're selling the same one for almost $800. Now, I'm not saying it's worth that, but I think if it was to come back with a really high grade, it would definitely be worth more than I paid for it. But tell me what you think. I know a lot of you guys are a lot more adept to grading than I am. Should I take the risk to send this off and have it graded? And tell me, do you guys have any gold proof or any proof silver? And you know, if so, what do you have? I normally, again, I would not have went for something like this, except for, you know, I got a really good price on it, I believe. So anyways, that's about it. I did want to show you this real quick. Look, I had a guy, one of my buddies, went to Africa, and I told him, you know, to pick me up some coins. And check this out. Got some African coins here. Man, my camera just does not want to focus today, does it? Anyways, look, again, I really appreciate everybody's time. Thank you for stopping by to my channel. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget, keep on stacking. I'm out.